Ceanothus concha. 6 feet tall by 6 feet wide. Cobalt blue flowers in the spring. Full sun, fast growing. Requires minimal water. This is a great plant when you want something tall and gorgeous. So the flowers, in terms of color, are somewhat similar to my pants-ish, thereabouts. This is also a nice plant if you want to use it as a screen or as a backdrop and put smaller, colorful plants in front of it. You could put this in the back, and if it flowers in the spring, have something else that flowers, say, in the winter in front of it, and then you've got kind of the juxtaposition of the blue and maybe like a yellow or a purple or a red or even a nice coral. You could probably put an autumn sage in front of this.